Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property education and tutorial channel, this is the right one for you.
If you are in the market looking for a property, I'm sure you have been recommended new launches, which is to purchase a property currently under construction sold directly by the developer. So why do investors buy into new launches even though they are more costly as compared to neighbouring resale properties? Today, we share the pros and cons of buying a new launch. Let's get into it.
The first advantage, brand new furnishings and appliances. If you buy a new launch, you get to enjoy new furnishings and appliances that come with the purchase. Developers are conscious to provide premium brands and modern features to give buyers the pride of ownership.
Secondly, there are cash savings in several aspects, such as there is no payment of maintenance fees and property tax, only until TOP. There's also a choice of paying the buyer's stamp duty using CPF. And your mortgage repayment is based on a staggered progressive schedule, so you may be paying as little as $300 a month in the initial phase.
Lastly, capital appreciation. Your entry price and appreciation is controlled by one party, which is the developer. So work with your realtor to identify discounts and let the developer increase the prices of other units gradually so that you can make attractive paper gains.
The main disadvantage of a new launch is you cannot stay in the unit after purchase. You may be required to rent a place or stay with family members in the interim period. But although there is some inconvenience here, if you really like the unit, work with your realtor to crunch the numbers to see if it's worth this step.
The decision on whether to buy a new launch still depends on your overall objective. Find a realtor who can truly understand your needs so that he or she can advise on the best solutions for you. We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!